Hi guys, SEO Viewer here. Today we're going to be talking about how to analyze multiple videos on YouTube using YT Studio Pro. Now, sometimes when you decide to analyze videos, you'd like to compare multiple different trends or maybe multiple creators within the same niche to see how they formulate their titles and kind of see if you can learn something from how they learned their titles so you can better structure your own titles and tags. Well, YT Studio Pro has a tool that does just this for you. So if we go to the Video Analyzer tool, we can search videos from multiple different topics, niches, or creators simultaneously. So let's say I'm a creator in the gaming niche, right? And I want to see how to make better titles for my YouTube videos on gaming. Well, I can mention a handful of creators on YouTube, such as 8-Bit Ryan, uh, Septic Eye, maybe Markiplier. And then you can decide how many videos for each of these you want to analyze, anywhere from 10 to 200. I don't want this to take too long here, so we'll just do 30 videos for each of them. And then what you can do is you can either group by search or just mix the results. To keep things straight, we're going to keep this in categories. And then you'll see with each of the videos that have like a purple border, this is like a top 10 video out of the ones that are analyzed. And so we can take any amount of videos here, maybe even all 40 or all 90 if we wanted, and analyze them. But I think we're going to stick with just the top 10 or so. So I'm going to see if I can click those really quick. Okay. So we're going to go down to the bottom here, and it'll say analyze the 10 selected videos. And what it'll do is it'll generate a list of titles based on the videos that you selected, as well as tags. And from here you can kind of pull out any sort of patterns in the way these creators title their videos, or even like the tags that they use. So you can export all this information out to a CSV file using this here, or you can copy the tags and the titles individually and maybe copy and paste them onto a Word document. If you'd like to try to perform video analysis of your own, I have links in the description as well as the link pinned comment. Thanks for your time as always, and I hope the information presented here was helpful to you guys.